the top 3 vitamins for better kidney function. Welcome to our channel, where we're all about putting your health first. We're about to set out on a revolutionary quest to provide the best renal care possible. Frequently disregarded, our kidneys play a crucial function in cleansing and purifying our bodies. Interestingly, a startling 79% of people with kidney disease are vitamin deficient. This insufficiency speeds up the condition's course, in addition to compromising renal function. Are you prepared to learn how to use vitamin B? As we reveal the 3 essential vitamins that can completely transform kidney health, come along on this insightful journey with us. These essential nutrients will be identified and will also provide you professional advice on how to properly include them in your diet. Not only that, but we'll also let you in on a crucial truth regarding some vitamins that may be detrimental to your kidneys, especially if you already have renal illness. In today's video, watch the entire video carefully, as this information is really helpful. So let's get started. Number 1, vitamin D. Let us examine the importance of vitamin D for our health in simple terms. Beyond strengthening our teeth and bones, vitamin D also maintains healthy muscles, protects the heart, and even facilitates communication between the brain and body. Additionally, it has been connected to improving our moods. However, the kidneys cannot properly activate vitamin D in those with chronic renal disease. Low vitamin D levels result from this, and around 79% of patients with renal illness experience this issue. Thus, adequate vitamin D intake is critical for the repair of your kidneys. There are 3 primary ways to obtain vitamin D: through diet, sun exposure, and supplementation. Certain foods, such as salmon and other fatty fish, and some types of mushrooms, contain some vitamin D, but not enough, particularly if you have renal problems. The good news is that exposure to sunlight causes your skin to produce vitamin D, so spending some time outside can raise your levels of this nutrient. Vitamin D3, sometimes known as calciferol, is typically advised if you require supplements. However, be cautious about the dosage, since some supplements include excessive amounts of vitamin D, 2,000 IU or even 5,000 IU, which may be dangerous if you have kidney issues. According to recent research, daily dosages between 700 and 1,000 IU are preferable. Before taking any supplements, make sure they are appropriate for you by consulting your doctor. Now let's talk more about renal vitamins, which are made specifically with kidney health in mind. These vitamins are made up of a tiny quantity of vitamin C, active vitamin D, and all the B complex vitamins. They are available for purchase on websites such as Amazon.com. It's important to stress, though, that you should only use these supplements if your nutritionist or kidney doctor have cleared them for your particular needs. With kidney disease in particular, you may be curious about the function of other vitamins and how they impact renal health. Number 2, vitamin B. Let's explore the world of B complex vitamins, a set of 8 vital water-soluble nutrients that have a significant impact on overall health and kidney function in particular, as supported by scientific research. Every one of these vitamins has a specific function in our bodies. They play a crucial part in the synthesis of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the kidneys, are essential in the conversion of food into energy, and maintain our nerves, which is especially important considering the number of nerves in our kidneys. Furthermore, B-complex vitamins help our systems use fats and proteins correctly, which guarantees optimal performance. The significance of these vitamins for those suffering from kidney problems is further demonstrated by scientific studies. Increased levels of some B vitamins like B6, B9, and B12 may be necessary for people with renal difficulties to properly manage their condition and support kidney health, according to a number of studies. But it is imperative to use care and evidence-based approaches when it comes to vitamin supplementation. There may be kidney-related issues if some B vitamins like B9 and B3 are used in excess. In addition, studies have shown that a B6 overdose can aggravate kidney issues and damage nerve tissue. Obtaining these essential vitamins through a balanced diet is the most wise course of action, as agreed upon by scientists. The B-complex vitamins found in leafy greens, legumes, nuts, chicken, fish, eggs, and whole grains are regularly shown to be abundant in scientific investigations. You may take a step toward maintaining the health of your kidneys by including these nutrient-dense foods in your regular diet, as supported by scientific research. Number 3. Vitamin C. Ascorbic acid, another name for vitamin C, is a water-soluble vitamin that is vital to many bodily processes. In addition to its well-known immune-boosting properties, it is essential for collagen synthesis, wound healing, iron absorption from plant-based diets, and the preservation of healthy bones, teeth, and cardiovascular function. One of vitamin C's most important roles in kidney health is as a powerful antioxidant. It helps the body fight oxidative stress by scavenging dangerous free radicals. Oxidative stress can worsen pre-existing renal issues and have deleterious consequences on kidney cells. Several scientific investigations have exhibited the antioxidant capacity of vitamin C, emphasizing its capacity to safeguard the kidneys from oxidative harm. Nonetheless, there is disagreement over vitamin C's link to kidney stones. Because vitamin C is metabolized into oxalate, a substance present in some forms of kidney stones, there have been concerns expressed that taking excessive vitamin C supplements may boost the risk of kidney stone formation. However, recent studies have shed some light on this matter. Research indicates that a modest use of vitamin C derived from both food sources and supplements does not substantially increase the likelihood of kidney stones forming. In fact, several studies indicate that vitamin C may help lower the risk of kidney stones by promoting the solubility of calcium oxalate, a major component of kidney stones, and preventing the formation of specific types of stones. The significance of moderation must be emphasized, though. Kidney stones can still occur as a result of excessive vitamin C supplementation, particularly when taken at dosages far higher than the daily recommended limit. In order to identify an adequate and safe amount of vitamin C, people with kidney difficulties should proceed with caution and speak with their healthcare specialists. A balanced, diversified diet is the safest and most effective way to guarantee that you are getting enough vitamin C. A wide range of other vital nutrients and antioxidants can be found in foods like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and other fruits and vegetables, in addition to vitamin C. This all-natural nutritional strategy lowers the chance of consuming too much vitamin C while also improving renal health and function in general. Overall, current scientific evidence indicates that moderate intake of vitamin C from supplements or food sources is generally safe and may even be protective for kidney function, despite some disagreement. To maximize the advantages of vitamin C and reduce any possible hazards, it is imperative to stay away from over-supplementing and to keep a balanced diet. Individualized advice can be given to those with renal problems by speaking with a healthcare professional. Please remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe the button to receive updates on future videos, and feel free to like and share the video with your loved ones if you find it to be educational and useful. I appreciate your time and wish you a happy and healthy day. Thank you. Having a nice day.